Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another example for substring where we will see one real world related example. Okay, so far like we have discussed various methods through which we can perform substring extraction. So just assume a scenario, there are some requirement for your project, and in that situation, like we are supposed to receive one long string from a third program or maybe from a third party tool. Now, after receiving that long string, we are supposed to divide that entire string into three parts or maybe the four part or as per the requirement, right? So to store that extracted field, like to fetch that to fetch that particular part, what we will do the substring. Then how to do this and what approach would be there, like individually we have discussed each and everything, right? Like how we can make it dynamic substring extraction, how we can perform static substring extraction. So this session is just in the continuation of the same, where we will just discuss one example, and through that example it would be very clear to you like how we are utilizing the substring extraction. So let's see how we are using it. So for that, firstly I will write here work mbr pdm, which will give work member pdm open. And now here I have already created one program which is test pgm1. So we will just walk through this program and understand each and every line written over here, and also understand the output, right? So taking option 2 over here. After taking option 2, you can see we have initiated the program with identification division. Now what is identification division? So whenever you want to mention the program identity related information, then in that case you will utilize this identification division block. So in short, you can say that this block contains all the program identity related information. So here you can see we have stored two information, which is program ID, and this program ID is denoting the program name, which is test pgm1. So you can match it here, test pgm1. Why, right? Then we have author. Author is indicating the author name, so you can see here text Sharmit, which is author name. So these are the two information that we have fetched, or you can say that we have mentioned in this identification division block. Clear? Now if there are other information as well which you are going to store in a program, then you can store it here. Okay, but for time being I'm just using these two information, which is program ID and author. Okay, now if you are not sure about the other basic thing, like why we have kept this space blank, what is the exact positioning of writing something, then maybe I would recommend you to go and please check out all the sessions in a sequential manner, because these all sessions are in sequential manner or proper sync. And if you refer the entire playlist, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing task. Okay, because for now we are just focusing on one substring related concept. All right. So after identification division block, we have declared three comment line. So to start the comment line, what you will do, you will put asterisk on seventh position. So you can count it from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the seventh position. Here I have put asterisk. So after that, whatever you will write here will be considered as a comment line. So this is the comment line, which is nothing but to show you the output, just to show you the title of the topic, which is a real world example for substring. All right. So after this commented line, we have initiated the data division block. Now what is data division block? Data division block, under this data division block, there is one working storage section under which we will declare all the variable that we are going to utilize for our program. Okay, so whatever variable you want to use in throughout your program, you will declare it under this working storage section, which is nothing but a area where we declare all the variables. So as per our requirement, we need four variables. I'll explain you the requirement and then we'll decide like why we are needing these three variables. So for timing, just assume a scenario where you are receiving this string. This is the entire string. Okay, where it is written like this: name colon Sharmit comma semicolon, then age colon 20 semicolon, then city colon India, and then it ends. Okay, so this is the string that we are receiving from maybe from third party tool or from a program. Now we are going to store it into one variable. So to store this value, we will declare one variable. So here you can see Firstly, we are deciding the level number. So 01 is a level number which is representing the higher data hierarchy. Then we have data name, or you can say variable name, so str1. Then we have PIC x of 14. Now what is PIC x of 40 and what is data name? So data name is just a name of the variable that you will use throughout the program whenever you want to access this variable or to refer this variable. Okay, so this variable will be used by the name of str1. Then PIC is denoting picture clause, x of 40 is denoting alphanumeric 40. Okay, then we have value clause. This clause is always an optional clause, and but this in this example we wanted to initialize some value to this variable, so I'm just declaring value clause, and inside that I just provided the required information. Okay, now afterwards the requirement is that from this entire long string we want to fetch name, age and city. Oh sorry, actually we have mentioned here city and we are using country name, so that's an typing mistake. Maybe we need to fix. Even in one of our previous session we used the same term, so that's an issue. I'll just change it quickly, or maybe we can do, let's keep it as city only and make it as city name. Okay, so that's an just a typing mistake. So here in city we just make it as Jaipur. Okay, fine. So now what we want to do, we want to fetch a name. So to store that name, what we will do, we will put here 01, then which is denoting the level number, higher data hierarchy. Then we have data name as name, PIC x of 10, where PIC is denoting picture clause, x of 10 is denoting the alphanumeric 10 character. Then we declared another variable which is 01, age is PIC 9 of 2, which is denoting 9 is denoting numeric value. So this variable can hold up to 9 2-digit numeric value. Then we have 01 city PIC x of 10, which is denoting the picture clause x of 10. So it can hold up to 10 character alphanumeric value. So these are the three variables that we are going to use in order to fetch and store the output from the main string. So this is the main string and this is the variable. All right. So after that we have procedure division. Now what is procedure division? Inside this procedure division, whatever main out logic you want to write for your program, you will write it here, this procedure division. Okay. So what we are doing on line number 19, we are moving str1 from 7th position to 7 character to name variable. So let's verify the things. So from here you can count. Starting position we want to fetch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So from this 7th position we want to fetch 7 character. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the 7 character which we want to fetch from 7th position, and that value will be stored into this name variable. Clear? Fine. Then we have age. So always make this thing we have already discussed many times, right? This is the starting position and this is the length which we want to extract. Now we have move. Why we are using, like there are other options also for substring, right? I'm just telling you the way through which you can perform such things. Okay, so move is one of the way through which we can do this. So now what we are doing, we are fetching, starting it from 21st position. So till here I think, okay, let's recount it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So this is the 21 position. So after from 21 position to 2 character 1, 2. So the age will be stored here. Clear? Then we have 31 to 5. I think this we need to change. So let me check. So just assume this is 31. So 31, after 31, I think we need to calculate it again. So till here we count 21. Okay, then 21, after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So this is correct. 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6 character. Okay, so let's make it as 6. All right, because we have changed it, right? By mistakenly we have noted India here, but we just replaced it. So fine. Now after that what we are doing, we are trying to print these value. So to print this value, I'm just appending some text with it. So name is name, age is age, cities and stop run. Stop run is for terminating the program. So I think now we are good with this program and it's time to compile and see the output. So I'm trying with files for save and exit and compile. So after compilation, when you call this program, you will see that it is providing the desired output, which is name is Sharmit, age is 20 and city is Jaipur, which is correct, right? So in the same manner, if you have you are receiving other information, for example, you are receiving timestamp and from that timestamp you want to fetch all the information, then you can use it. Okay, so you can use the same approach to fetch the information. So yeah, this is how we can utilize move in order to fetch the substring from a longer string. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.